Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make half transparent gradient in Canva. So you can give the gradient half transparent gradient effects on image by using Canva. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me take one blank canvas. Okay, so just take for social media here. Okay, so first you need to put your image or elements. You can upload your image from here. Just go to the upload and upload your image. Okay, so I just take these photos. I have already uploaded. Okay, you can maximize the photos like this. Okay, now what I can do, go to the elements and here you need to search for shapes. So here we need to go in all C. So here we have some shapes, so you can take the rectangle shapes. Okay, so this is rectangle shape with rounded corner, you can see. If you don't want this rounded corner, you can go here and make it 0, so it will be gone. So now just make it fit to the canvas or image like this. Okay, now select that, go to the color and here just come down and here you can see some default gradients color. You can go to the see all and you can get all gradients color style here. You can choose any one. Okay, after that just come back and select your gradient and that shapes and go here color again. Now go to the colors. Here you can see your all colors which has that gradients combinations. So you can select the gradient style from here and here you can change color if you want, and from here you can also add more colors. Okay, now so we have this color. Okay, at the left side, so go select that color and decrease the transparency like this. Okay, so select one by one color like this and decrease the transparency. You can see, so it is look like half transparent gradient like this, and it will be better if you are using the only two colors like this and select this style. Okay, and you can make it transparent more, the one color at left side. Okay, so it will be look like half transparency gradient effects. You can see, you can make it 0 also, and this color you can increase the transparency. You can change that color like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.